Here we are at North Carolina Center for Automotive Research. We have a track day today. This is the first time I'm going to be tracking my BMW 335i, and we got some good weather today, so it's going to be in the high 70s, so it should be a good day to track the car. And right now I'm just waiting for the rest of the group to pull up. You can see here the fence is locked right now, but they're supposed to be opening up the fence for us when we gather. So yeah, maybe I'll do a quick walk around of the car. Haven't taken it out in a while, so you can see here, you know, she's ready to go. 93 octane. Yeah, and again, this is where we are at North Carolina. Okay, we're here in the, you can see here, we're at the North Carolina Center for Automotive Research. There's a nice track that they have here. We're gonna be driving on today. I'm here with a group, so we should be having a good time. Everyone's got all different cars, from Ferraris to Miatas. I have my BMW 3 Series. There's gonna be a whole bunch of different cars here, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, take a look at the sign. You can see right there. That's a picture of the track. So I think it's like, let's see what we're saying here. Right? So I think it's a little over a 2-mile track that they have here. So you can see that right there. Yeah. All right, it's gonna be a good day. And hopefully I get some good content on the racetrack. All right, let's see. I'll tell you what, these tires are sticking now. Okay, make sure the brakes are working. We don't want any brake fade. All right, this would be it. This is the straightaway. Turns. Turn in. Something fell. I'm not sure what the fuck that was. Man, what a great time at this track event here. These Alfa Romeo cars are something else on this track. I mean, the way they're built, low profile, wide. This is the nice straightaway. There's my buddy Gray and his Miata. Man, that's a fun car too. Just whipping around these corners. Yeah, I was trying to follow him, but he lost me in all the turns. But yep. And there goes my buddy Aaron in his 2019 M2 competition. Again, great time here at track day.